a Microsoft wheel and mouse optical that we will be disassembling. And first we'll remove the pads because the screws are likely under them. And if they're not, then you'll know and you don't have to remove them unnecessarily. There seems to be something under here, so we'll cut a hole there later. But let's remove these two.
There we go, 2 screws.
As for the bottom part, we have 2 screws. And we should be able to get everything out after that. And we have a retaining bracket here. Do we have another one? Yes, we have one here. Can we remove this? Yes. Are there any others? No. Then we should be able to push from here and then lift and then push here. We should be able to get it out. There we go. Then we'll just wash the parts. Here we have the scroll wheel and it has really sticky stuff on it. So we're going to add some isopropyl alcohol on top of it to fix this issue. go. And we'll just let it sit there for a while. So for like 15 minutes. And we'll see how it does afterwards. Now we're back. It's been half an hour and this thing has been sitting in the isopropyl alcohol in that time. And let's see how much cleaner we've gotten this. There's still some discoloration, but that's fine because the nasty stickiness is gone, which is the important part. So we'll just flush this with some water and dry it, and then I'll put the thing back together. There we go. It's back together and we forgot to put this thing in. Great. As you can see, the most difficult part about this particle mouse is getting this cable to sit in the right place so that you can actually close the thing. And it doesn't really matter if you break there's these holding clips there that you should press in the beginning. I accidentally broke them because you need to open them instead. However, it doesn't really matter because the mouse still works just fine without that. Also, this is an instructional video on things to how to do and how not to do. So and with these skates, you should always buy new ones when you are disassembling a mouse, because most of the time you might get them off nicely. That's not going to be all of the time. So sometimes you're just going to lose them, or they're going to tear, or something else happens and you can't get them back on. So just buy new ones when you're doing these repairs. Some people also say that you could just make a hole here and you can then get to the screw, which is true. If you want to do it that way, you can. But there we go. That has been the wheel mouse optical from Microsoft. Thank you for watching.